Hello, and welcome back for another lesson. Today's topic is going to be kind of a follow-up to the analog clock lesson that I gave a few videos back, except as you can see, we're going to be focusing on Roman numerals. Now, a good friend of mine had suggested that I implement this Roman numerals analog clock into the previous lesson on the analog clock, but I felt that it might have extended it a bit more than I would have liked, and since it's being Roman numerals, I felt that it deserves its own attention. So the video today is going to be talking about the analog clock using Roman numerals. Now, if you're wondering what Roman numerals are, you're looking at them as we speak. So Roman numerals basically look like this, and they are the numbers that represent basically 1 through 12 on an analog clock. So again, if you're not familiar with it, I'm going to go through it right now and tell you what each number represents for the Roman numerals. So the first number, it would be 1 o'clock, or in this case, we're just going to focus on the number. So number 1, then this is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, and number 12. So each of these numbers represents a Roman numeral. So the activity we're going to do today is almost similar to what we did on the analog clock, except I'm going to give you some times and you're going to match them up with the correct Roman numeral. So I'll do 3 examples of the times that I would like for you to do, and then I'll give you 3 problems to solve. So as I've been doing lately, you will not see the 3 problems until the end of the video, and then you can solve it, and then again, as always, provide feedback. Okay, so let's look at the first time here. If I write 11:45, how would you write that showing the correct time with these Roman numerals? So as I showed you earlier, I showed you what numbers 1 through 12 look like. And basically, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to find the hour hand, put it on 11, then find the minute hand, and then put it on the 9. And that's 11:45. Yeah, let's try another one here. Let's try 8:20. So again, you need to be familiar with the Roman numeral for 8, and then find it with the hour hand. And then what would the 20-minute number represent here? So you would look here, and then you would see that Roman numeral 4 would represent the 20th minute of 8 o'clock. So that would be 8:20. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do 6 o'clock. So again, you would find the number 6, and then you would find which number would represent 6 o'clock exactly. And it's just straight up above it. So it's on the 12. The minute hand is on the 12, and that's 6 o'clock. So here are the 3 times to complete, and the directions are just write the correct times for each analog clock. So just as I showed you in the previous 3 examples, just write 10:35 in the correct place, 2:55 in the correct place, and 12:20 in the correct place. Now don't worry about AM or PM, as I had mentioned earlier in the analog clock lesson. Don't worry about that. It doesn't matter if it's AM or PM. And we're not going to be doing 24-hour time either. We'll just keep it at a 12-hour traditional analog clock time. And I will not show the answer key again. I'll wait till I get some feedback from volunteers, and then hopefully I'll get enough to do a video covering what they did, and you can see how they wrote Now, if you can print this, that would be really good because obviously it's clock. But if you're unable to, you can draw it. Just take your time and make sure you copy the Roman numerals correctly and clearly. Okay, try to make it as perfect as possible. But I understand maybe you don't. You might be doing it freehand, so your circles may not be like totally perfect. But do the best you can. If you got like a cap of some sort, a bottle cap or a jar, you can use that and trace around it, and then that'll give you pretty much a perfect circle. And then you can do you can enter each Roman numeral and then complete the time. Okay? So hopefully I'll get some participants to give me some answers and I can make another video and show how you did. Otherwise, thank you for listening and I hope you have a very good day. Before I end the video, I wanted to show you some other uses that Roman numerals have. As you can see here, musical notes also have Roman numerals in them. And there are other things that Roman numerals are used for as well, such as the end of movies. Sometimes they don't show the actual year, or show Roman numeral, or maybe TV shows or something like that. So I just wanted to just give a quick demonstration of just some other uses for Roman numerals. It's actually pretty common, more than we think, more than we realize. It's just that I think most of us have kind of seen it, we're familiar with it, and we just kind of take it for granted that Roman numerals exist. So I just wanted to just show you this really quick before I end the video and let you see some other uses that Roman numerals have. And okay, that's it. And I want to wrap up the video now. And I appreciate you listening and spending this time with me. Thank you once again for joining in today's lesson. Please message me through Facebook Messenger, or you can email me at jollyformore@gmail.com to learn more about my online tutorial service. Please leave a comment down below. If you know someone interested in hiring an online tutor, share this video. And if you would like to get a bell notification for all my newest videos, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And until then, please be safe out there. Have a great day.